Yo! New unboxing vid. This is the Cyclops X-Men 97. So wala ulit ang pambukas pero ayos lang yan. Yan. Finally found a decent Cyclops figure I had been eyeing. Look. So medyo parang maliit pala siya. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sega. So nice of Sega to create these figures.
So we're going to
So I
open
bought
it,
this
guys. So here I am. So
at Japan Grabs. Yeah. Sa Shopee.
yeah, in Japan, and Dad.
Japan Grabs.
And Dad is
Seems
nice.
legit.
And Dad, and we're
Nice packaging. Sige. Ano ko na yung anak ko?
Yup. I'm here.
Dope!
My favorite
It's
thing.
Cyclops Marvel app.
And
Cut.
here I am. And
Premium figure.
we're going to open it.
Nice!
Nice.
So cool.
Dad, can I
Sana
help
maganda.
you build the body parts in it?
Okay, sige.
Yes. Okay, I'll hold the
Ulit
box.
ang cutter. Yan.
Okay.
So,
So look at that parts and just here.
this is like the Band Presto counterpart.
And my dad
Okay lang yan.
my dad only has a one toy like this and this and he has it.
So odd.
I think
Oh!
you like it.
Yes, I like it.
Like that button and smash that button. If you like
Nice.
my dad's video.
Ganda ng pagkakaano niya. Wait lang guys. Yeah, so it's a Band Presto style.
Oh my god! How long that is! Oh my god! Here's her
Yun yung
body
blast.
part.
Kaya mo
Yeah,
naman.
he has the body part. Oh, here's that's her sword, Dad.
Hindi niya sword yun. Ayun, yung ano niya. Blast.
No. I think that was her shirt.
Oh!
my god!
Dope! Oh my God! Sobrang detailed niya. Ang ganda niya.
Dad, can I hold him
For
for a
this
minute?
figure.
Dad, can I hold
So
him
nice.
for a minute? Can I hold him?
Oh.
Oh my god. He's super
So
heavy.
nice!
Dad, he's super heavy. Oh, I think
Grabe yung pagka-detailed niya.
Dad, this
Oh,
is
pakita
her
mo.
blast. Here. Okay, so guys, now we're going to build her body parts, and me and Daddy are best friends.
Lagyan mo na natin.
Okay, so first,
So nice.
I think
Good thing Sega
I
created
think that was
these
her
figures
sword. I think this is her sword.
for the cheap collectors.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me put.
Collectors! And tutulungan ako ng anak ko mag-assemble.
How's this, guys? Oh, this. It's like that.
Sana snug fit. Yan, okay, snug fit.
Okay. I'll do the hands later and.
Well, ay. Oh, nice!
This.
It's so nice!
Oh
Look!
my.
Wait lang.
I'd like
Ang
it.
ganda nung texture niya. It looks so premium. Hindi siya, so, Marvel. Cut. Yeah, it's a premium figure.
Dad, here's the black. Dad.
Wait lang.
Dad, look at me.
Ooh!
Blast. Dad, look at me. I'm a blaster. Bah, bah. Blast.
It's so nice!
I blast.
Ang ganda!
I have a blast.
Ang ganda
guys.
ng detail niya. Sobrang worth it ng figure na to. Yan. Boom! Ang ganda ng texture nito. Para siyang
Dad,
may pagka-rough. Ewan ko kung anong texture ginamit.
I think what
Kung
is
anong ano
this?
to. Pero,
okay.
Ang ganda ng detail ng X niya dito, yung blast niya, yung head niya itself.
Oh, that's her head,
Yeah.
guys. That's her head.
Yo! Astig, lagay natin yung blast.
Okay.
Dad,
Dad, help you this
Oh, ito na,
blast.
ilalagay natin. Wait lang, anak.
Dad, I want to put the blast.
Ayan.
I want to put the
Yan.
blast.
Boom! Bsh! Ah! Optic blast. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Dad,
Astig.
I thought
It's
I
so
was
nice.
in the body part.
Eh, nakabit na eh. Wait lang. Asan na yung stick? Yung stand. Ay, nilalaro pala. Wait lang. Ah, sobrang nice. Finally, a decent Cyclops figure. Hey! Look at that beast. So, ayun lang. Ang ganda ng detail niya. It's a Sega Marvel Act cut. Yan. So if you find this figure sa stores or somewhere, go grab it. It's by Sega. Ang ganda ng texture niya. Ang ganda ng pagkakadetail niya. Yan. Yung sapatos. Even these. Yung belt niya, ang ganda. So definitely worth it. So good. It's so good. Yun lang.